So all of you already know that we created three methods here: password, change password method, generating random password method also I created here using that password method, using random also here, then asking for department and printing the mail. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to set that mailbox capacity. Now remember, in this first also I told by default is 500 MB, but if user want to extend that mailbox capacity, I am asking for the set mailbox capacity here method. So after this part I will create some set mailbox capacity method, mailbox capacity method. Then again it is public, as I told you. Why should it really be public? Because user want to access that part. So void set mail cap, that's it. Then no need to put any argument here because I don't want to put here. If you want, you can minimize this part also. System.out.println current capacity. It will print current capacity first. Current capacity is equal to plus this dot mail capacity, and I am considering this is first in MB, not in GB. So I know this is very less, but I want to clearly simplify this in MB only. Then system dot out dot println. There is no need to ask for what is your first capacity or something. I just want to create or assign that. So enter new capacity. Enter new mailbox capacity. Then this dot mail capacity, that part only, is equal to s dot next int integer only, no need to put anything here, next int, and it will change like system dot out dot println mailbox capacity is successfully changed. So this is all about setting the mailbox capacity. It is very easy. Printing first current capacity, then enter the new mailbox capacity, and just from the user just assign to that new mailbox capacity. Similarly for that alternate mail, public void what is that, alternate email. So I will put here first set alternate mail. Remember, put comments because it's very helpful while reading the code. System dot out dot println enter new alternate mail or email. Then this dot alternate mail, you know that we already created that part, s dot next. Then system, this is very simple method here, no need to worry about this. Alternate mail or email is set, that's it. Now this is all about the creating or generating something, but I want to create some another method to display something, because we are just generating but there is nothing I'm going to display here. How I can display the user information or something, that part? So to display user information I will create another method, information method. For that part it should be public only, public void get info. I'm printing here get info. simple, just printing, nothing more that system dot out dot println, just printing statement, print statements here only. This dot f name, now the space between two, this dot l name. Similarly, that system dot out dot println department, plus it will put that department, this dot dbt, department. This is then for email you can put email, then this dot email, all the user information basically. Then if you want to put password, you can put that password, but here why in ideal condition you should not print any password here, or you should not display any password, but for the significant convenience and I want to check it will be running or not, I'm going to put here only. So this is for the testing purpose for our application, this dot password. Then again system dot out dot println mailbox capacity, this dot mailbox mail capacity, I put there mail capacity, and with I will put here MB also, like I'm already mentioned, I'm putting in this MB only, MB. Then again system dot out dot println alternate mail, alternate mail, this dot alter email, and that's it. Now we are done with these methods, so let's invoke it into that public class. But before that, remember, we are remaining with some other methods also, store files and this. But before that, I will explain that constructor part here. So we already created one constructor here, and before that creating constructor, what I did is set mailbox capacity, then set change password method, alternate email method, and display user information method. That's it, we done. Then we want to call that methods. So calling that method is very simple here, I can say. So now I will go to this constructor part here. Now I'm putting here is calling methods. So now calling methods is very simple. This dot department, to assign that department, this dot department is equal to this dot set department, what I created there, set department. Now the for the random password, I will put here for department. First random password, this for password is equal to this dot generate password with which I created. Now what required here is I'm putting length 8. What I told you, I am not mentioning length there because I want to put inside this. So avoiding that part, I just put length here. So length will be always 8. It's not very ideal condition to put always length 8, but for the simple condition I use here 8, or you can put as much you want, or you can choose from 6 to 15 or something like that. Now I want to combine this, like generating mail, you know that method, this dot what is that, generate mail, email. This is for email generation. Now we are done with this part, but this is just, there is no method. You cannot run this like this only, because you can see there is no main method we created here. We are remaining with main method. So this is all about the email part. In next part, what I am going to show you, how we can create main method, how we are going to invoke it, that main method, including that how we can use this all part. Plus I'm going to show you how you can create and store that in the specific file, .txt file.